Are you a black business owner or black or a minority or any of the sort? Well, this video is going to be great for you. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get up to $300,000 just by being a minority. And this is the closest thing that we possibly going to get to reparations. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get unlimited loads of funding from different institutions that's actually giving away the bag. Guys, stay tuned. If you ever want to jump on a call with me, this month may be the only month you can do it. This month, I'm going to open my schedule completely for you guys, where I'm going to give one-on-one coaching sessions absolutely free. For 30 minutes, you're going to be able to talk to me about anything. If you want to talk to me about business credit, whatever is on your mind, guys, I will be your guide for 30 minutes straight. If you ever want to tap in, this is going to be one of your only chances to do so. Click the link in the description and let's jump on a call. Guys, see you there. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can go to different institutions to get the bag if you are a minority in need of funding. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push our content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items. Guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report, guys, I'm super excited about this video because this video is going to give us an opportunity. I know that the economy is not doing as well as we want it to do, and I feel like if you are a minority or a person of color in needing the funding, this video can help a lot of people. So let's dive straight in. So guys, US Bank, first and foremost, is giving the bag. They have dedicated up to $100 billion to a community benefits plan over a 5-year period. Shout out to Credit Plug. Credit Plug actually made this video first, thought it was super interesting and thought that my YouTube audience can benefit from it as well. All right, so US Bank Corp today announced a 5-year community benefits plan developed in the coordination of the National Community Reinvestment Coalition, the California Reinvestment Coalition. As part of the planned acquisition of MUFG Union Bank, the CBP continues to expand the important work underway by both organizations to build and support equitable access to capital in communities we serve. Guys, this is a game changer. $100 billion over a 5-year period designated only for minorities and people of color is awesome. I think that this is going to be the closest we get to reparations, and I think that this is an awesome initiative. Banks are the economic engines of our commodity communities. As such, we can make meaningful, I don't know why I can't read today, meaningful and some significant impacts in supporting the ability of low and moderate income LMI communities and communities of color to access capital and build wealth. Guys, this is a very interesting project, and I think that, to say the least, that this can help a mass amount of people, especially if you are a person that have a business or looking to get into a business. Now, I do know that when it comes to this particular institution, they are designating a lot of the capital directly into California because California have a lot of underserved communities, and they are part of the project intensively. So the collective input from the community serves as the foundation for the U.S. Bank's community commitment, one of the most significant national state commitments made by the bank in recent years. The community benefit plan totals at least $100 billion, and public-facing community strategy includes commitments to providing at least 20% increase in mortgage lending units nationally and 30% increase in California to LMI borrowers, communities and communities of color over the 5 years. So guys, if you live in California, you're a person of color and you're looking to actually buy a home, they are looking to give you the bag. I think that this is a project that you definitely need to pay attention to because because $100 billion is a lot of money, but over a 5-year period, it can go pretty fast depending on how fast you jump on it. Now, this was released in 2022. It's 2025 now, guys. You got 2 years to actually jump on this project before it is dismantled. Now, for reference, LMI communities is low and moderate income. So their income doesn't necessarily mean that you are neglected from the project. Actually, they are tailoring to LMI communities specifically. So if you are a low or moderate income holder or in that position, I know the economy is bad right now, if you have been a middle class person and went into that status of a low or moderate income, I feel like this is a project that you definitely need to jump on. We appreciate the commitment from U.S. Bank and the personal leadership of Andy Suri to collaborate us, CRC, and our members to develop the largest ever community benefits plan, said Jesse Van Tol, president of CEO and NCRC. This plan is a milestone not only because of its overall size, but also because of the scale of increased commitment for mortgage and small business lending, affordable housing, environmental and social impact lending, and for the planned clear focus on racial equity and access to credit directed specifically to communities of color, guys. And that is a very interesting project. Now, this is another one, BAC Funding Corporations. This is a corporation that's been tailoring to projects for quite some time, and they have a mission specifically to give the bag away as well. Let me show you the services that they provide. Now, loan, product, and other business services. BAC Funding Corporations provide 4 deployment strategies of capital resource to serve African American owned businesses that has been established for a minimum of 3 years in South Florida. So guys, if you are in South Florida, you are a business owner and you are black and you have limited access to capital or don't know where to get the capital, guys, this would be a great option for you. The investment and loan program is poised to provide capital ranging between $25,000 to $300,000 for many underserved businesses that do not have access to Oasis Naturalcleaner.com official website, LaBroya access to commercial banks or other typical forms of financing, while simultaneously offering competitive form of financing geared towards attracting lucrative projects. Guys, this is a very interesting project as well. Now, like again, shout out to Credit Plug, because I went on this channel, I seen this video and I thought it was absolutely amazing. If you want more information that I'm giving, I will advise you guys to go to his channel as well. Now, this is another bank that's giving away the bag. It's called City National Bank Small Business Ladder Up Program. It's a specialized program that they are tailoring to minority and underserved communities, empowering underserved business owners with tailored banking products to grow their business, guys. So this is the requirements for this specific program, City National Bank, elevating diverse entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur and you have had a business and the biggest aspect of your business downfall right now is capital, guys, this video is more than enough for you guys to limit your excuses and get the ball rolling so you can actually transition your business in an upward trajectory. We are committed to empowering businesses that are often overlooked for funding yet represent the hearts of our communities. Our purpose is to offer comprehensive support to minority, women, and LGBTQ entrepreneurs. If you are part of one or more of these groups, we encourage you to contact us to discuss your specific needs and learn more. Now, guys, the biggest aspect of this statement is we encourage you. They are looking to give you the money, and if you don't jump on this, I don't know what to tell you. Minority-owned businesses, helping minority-owned small businesses continue their purpose towards a greater good. LGBTQA-owned businesses, supporting the needs and business with customized support and resources that affirm and advance community-driven entrepreneurs, and women-owned businesses. So now, if you are a black person, a black gay person, or a black gay woman, you fit 3 out of the criteria that they're looking for, because you are a super minority. Supporting a women-owned business, small business to help close the funding gap. Additional benefits, cash flow management, fraud protection, deposit resource, waive maintenance fee, business checking account. Guys, these programs is well overdue, and I'm glad that the banking industry is actually taking a foothold on helping underserved minority communities, because I don't want to bring up the past, but we have been subjected so long and to not being being able to actually acquire funding to help businesses grow. If you know anything about redlining, or if you know anything about how we were not able to get funding like this, man, it's getting me emotional just thinking about it. So for these banking institutions to actually perform an effort up to $100 billion over a 5-year term, guys, is long overdue, and I am super excited being in the finance community to see that they actually take in some representation and understanding that the minority businesses need love too. This is the last but not least, Webster Bank, a minority and women-owned business enterprise. Webster Small Business Banking team is committed to developing financial solutions and being a catalyst for economic empowerment and self-sufficiency to minority and women-owned business enterprises in the communities we serve. We offer small business banking solutions such as checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and lending programs to meet the needs of minority and women-owned businesses. So guys, I implore you, if you are a minority, black person, business person, LGBT, if you fit the criteria of a minority-owned business or person, I ask you with the deepest regard to actually look into these resources and take advantage of them, because we is well overdue, like I said, and well deserved, guys. I want you to know in the comment section how you feel about this. Have you ever tried any of these products before? What is your story? I love the comment section. It's one of my favorite parts of being a content creator. You guys are hilarious, to say the least. And so leave it in the comment section. Let me know your opinion, exactly how you feel about these new avenues of funding for minorities. Like I said, have you been through it? What is your experience? And if you do go through the process, keep the storyline open in the comment section. Let us know the application process. How was it hard? I don't think so. I've seen it. And if you get approved, bring it back to the comment section. Share your story with the community, guys. This is long overdue. I'm super excited for these opportunities for our community, especially being in finance, like I said. And I implore each and every one of you that fits the criteria to actually take advantage of the opportunity. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.